Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is James Phillip and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey. Here, we'll dive into all things related to health, wellness, and nutrition, with a special focus on how to lower cholesterol. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's close to my heart. Literally. We're going to discuss cholesterol, what it is, why it's important to keep it in check, and most importantly, how you can manage it through simple, practical lifestyle changes. I truly believe that knowledge is power, and by understanding how our bodies work and what we can do to support them, we can live healthier, happier lives. So let's get started. When it comes to managing cholesterol, our diet plays a crucial role. It's not about deprivation, but rather about making smart choices that nourish our bodies. One of the most impactful changes you can make is to embrace foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats found abundantly in salmon, flaxseeds, and walnuts are like superheroes for your heart, helping to lower the bad LDL cholesterol and increase the good HDL cholesterol. Now let's talk about fiber, specifically soluble fiber. Think of soluble fiber as a sponge that travels through your digestive system, soaking up excess cholesterol and carrying it out of your body. Where can you find this magical fiber? Oats are a fantastic source, as are beans, lentils, and a rainbow of fruits and vegetables. Imagine starting your day with a warm bowl of oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of flax seeds. Or how about a hearty lentil soup for lunch packed with vegetables? These are just a few delicious ways to incorporate these cholesterol-lowering superstars into your daily routine. Remember, small changes can make a big difference over time. By gradually incorporating these heart-healthy foods into your diet, you'll be taking a proactive step towards better cholesterol management and a healthier heart. Now let's talk about the troublemakers, saturated and trans fats. These unhealthy fats can wreak havoc on our cholesterol levels and increase our risk of heart disease. Saturated fats are often found in animal products like red meat and full-fat dairy products. Imagine a juicy burger sizzling on the grill. While tempting, it's important to enjoy red meat in moderation. The same goes for full-fat dairy products like butter and cheese. These foods can be enjoyed occasionally, but it's all about balance. Trans fats, on the other hand, are like the villains of the fat world. They're often found in processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods, and they can significantly raise your bad LDL cholesterol levels. Think of those tempting packaged snacks or deep-fried treats. They might taste good in the moment, but they're not doing your heart any favors. By becoming more aware of the sources of saturated and trans fats, you can make conscious choices to limit your intake. Opt for leaner cuts of meat, choose low-fat dairy alternatives, and read food labels carefully to spot those hidden trans fats. Remember, knowledge is power. Now let's get physical. Regular physical activity is like a magic elixir for our hearts, and it plays a crucial role in managing cholesterol levels. When we engage in activities that get our heart pumping, we're not only boosting our mood and energy levels, but also improving our cholesterol profile. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic exercise each week. That might sound like a lot, but it breaks down to just 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And the best part? It doesn't have to be strenuous or boring. Think of activities you enjoy: brisk walking in nature, cycling with a friend, or even dancing to your favorite music. Find what brings you joy and makes you want to move. Even small bouts of activity throughout the day, like taking the stairs instead of the elevator or going for a short walk during your lunch break, can add up and make a difference. Remember, consistency is key. Make physical activity a non-negotiable part of your routine, and your heart will thank you for it. Let's talk about weight management. Achieving and maintaining a healthy weight is not just about fitting into our favorite pair of jeans. It's about taking care of our overall health, including our heart health. When we carry excess weight, it can negatively impact our cholesterol levels, increasing our risk of heart disease. But the good news is that even modest weight loss can make a significant difference. Think of it this way: every pound you lose is a victory for your heart, It's about making gradual, sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain over time. Focus on nourishing your body with whole, unprocessed foods, incorporating regular physical activity into your routine, and finding healthy ways to manage stress. Remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about making progress and celebrating every step of the way. If you're a smoker, quitting is one of the most impactful gifts you can give yourself, especially when it comes to your heart health and cholesterol levels. Smoking lowers your good HDL cholesterol, which acts like a scavenger, removing excess cholesterol from your arteries. Quitting smoking, on the other hand, can significantly improve your HDL cholesterol levels and reduce your risk of heart disease. It's never too late to quit, and the benefits are immediate and long-lasting. It's understandable that quitting smoking can be incredibly challenging, but you don't have to do it alone. Seek support from your doctor, join a cessation program, or reach out to friends and family for encouragement. There are also various resources available, such as nicotine replacement therapy and medications, that can help manage withdrawal symptoms and make the process easier. Remember, quitting smoking is a journey, and every step you take towards a smoke-free life is a victory worth celebrating. Now let's talk about alcohol. While a glass of red wine with dinner is often touted for its potential heart health benefits, it's important to remember that moderation is key. Excessive alcohol consumption can actually raise your cholesterol levels and increase your risk of heart disease. So how much is too much? For women, it's recommended to stick to 1 drink per day, and for men, 2 drinks per day. But what exactly constitutes a drink? It's important to be mindful of serving sizes. A standard drink is typically considered to be 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, or 1.5 ounces of distilled spirits. If you choose to drink alcohol, do so responsibly and within the recommended guidelines. And remember, there are plenty of other enjoyable and healthy ways to unwind and socialize without overindulging in alcohol. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively manage your cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease. Remember, it's not about making drastic changes overnight, but rather about incorporating small, sustainable habits into your daily routine. Don't forget to regularly monitor your cholesterol levels through medical checkups to ensure you're on the right track. Knowledge is power, and by staying informed and proactive about your heart health, you can live a longer, healthier, and more fulfilling life. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.